Hi guys, it's Summer here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be looking at the kiwi bird. I'm really excited to be looking at it, so anyways, let's go. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, it's 12,000, so I only have enough for one. And the scarf too, of course. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, its little run. It's so cute. Oh, okay, there's the airplane, and you can actually ride in the airplane, so here we go. I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna show you what the kiwi bird looks like and the neon. Let's go! Okay, here's the kiwi bird, and here's the neon. I thought it was gonna be green, but it's not, but it's still cute. And here's the mega. That's super cute. Hope you enjoyed this video and the kiwi bird. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, bye!